Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see a half-order implementation with Vivado. So first, I'll go to sources, the adding sources, and this initial process I'll skip with that I have discussed in the previous videos. You can have a look on that. I'll create a design source. Where I'm going to write my half-order design code. So I'll just give the file name as HA. I'll write half-order, then half-order, then click on finish. So it will create one simulation file for me where I need to write my code. So once that is added, we'll open the editor. So here we'll be writing our module. Okay. So already this module will come along with the bracket. So we'll be writing from the beginning so that it will be easy to see. So initiate the module with this keyword module and give a name to the module. Let me give half order in this case. And inside bracket will be writing what are the variables I am going to use. So for my half order, this will be the variables required and complete that with a semicolon. Semicolon is a very important part, don't miss that. Then I'll define what are my inputs. So my inputs will be a and b, a comma b I'll write, and the outputs for my device will be, so the output will be sum and carry. Further, after defining what are my outputs, then I need to assign the output value. So assign sum, for half order it is a XOR b, so that is how a XOR b is written. And then I'll assign again carry, which is written as a and b, so that my design is completed. After that, I'll write end module. So that completes my design code of the half order. Then I'll create the simulation as well. So for simulation, I'll create half order test bench. So that will be my file. So here we are going to write the test bench code. So here the test bench is created. So we'll be adding the code here. So for test bench also, we need to write the module and input output. So here I'll take this like this. Okay, below that we need to define which is my input, which terminals will be connected to input. I'll write reg. T underscore a will be connected to the input a, and t underscore b will be connected to input b. So I'll define two inputs here through reg. Then the output will be connected through OR. So that will be sum and carry. After I have defined my input output, then I have to connect the module with the half adder. So here I have taken, this is my module name, half adder. So you should make sure that you always take the same module, otherwise you will get error. So half adder, then initiate the device under test, and inside that we are going to write the connection. So the input A from the design module will be connected with t underscore a variable. Then input B will be connected to tree underscore b, so that is one another variable. And then the sum from the design will be connected to the capital SUM that I have decided here, written here. And then the carry will be from the design will be connected to capital carry variable that I have taken here. Then close the bracket. So after this initiating the connections with the input output, I need to begin the simulation. So I'll write initial. So initial begin, I'll write, and under that what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the inputs. So first set of input I'll give both a and b equals to 0, and all the possible inputs will be writing here. B is also 0, and then we'll give a delay of 10 nanosecond. You can give any other delay as well, 5 nanosecond or anything you want. So I'll copy this line, and because there are two variables, I need four possible combinations. So I'll give 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0, and then 1 1. So this is 1 1. After I have given all the possible inputs, then I will stop the simulation. Then end, this will end the initial begin, then end module. So remember, in end and end module, initial begin, here semicolon is not required. Okay, after this end module is there. So end module, after this we will run the simulation, run behavior simulation. So it will save the program and it will simulate the process. Okay, there is some error. Let me check where is the error. I'll submit it again. So there is some error in the sum. Let us see the code. Let us see where is the error in here. I don't find any error, and in half order in assign there was a problem. So it should be SUM. Okay, now let us resimulate it. Okay, now here you see the outputs have been obtained. Now how do you look at this output? Now if I click in at any of the point, at this point the value of A is 1, B is 1, so the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Similarly, uh, so if I click on this, it will show the throughout all the simulation. Now if I click here, the output input is 8 B, and the B is 1 0 1, so the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Similarly, if I see the last combination, input is 1 1 and sum is 0, carry is 1, and in the first it is all zeros. So that means this is uh, simulated. Now we can create the circuit for this. So for this you need to create click on RTL analysis, open elaborated design, and it will create the circuit for you that you can have a look. So this is your a half order circuit where these are the two inputs been given and these are the two outputs. So your one output is with XOR gate, another output is with AND gate. So that's how you can design. In the next video we'll see a half subtractor design as well.